Hello, you beautiful people. So, today I've created another celebrity inspired makeup look. This look is inspired by Kiara Advani. She did her debut in Bollywood in 2014 with the film Fugly, and after that, she made her benchmark with two beautiful films, that is MS Dhoni and Kabir Singh. In case you want to know how we got this particular makeup look, which is one of my favorite looks of her of all time, so let's begin to see how we got this particular makeup look. I'm going to start off by using the PAC Makeup Moisture Lotion. I have to tell you that Kiara Advani is in love with Charlotte Tilbury Magic Cream because that particular magic cream gives you a luminosity under your skin after you're done with your makeup, and you can also apply it onto your skin after you're done with everything on the top of the skin just to give that luminosity and highlighter effect. And that's what we're going to be looking forward for in this video as well. But I'm going to use all the products that are very much affordable and easily accessible as a substitute. After this, I'm going to go for my foundation, and here I'm using the NYX Total Control foundation in the shade of soft beige. It's a very lightweighted formula. In case you're going to be dropping the product on the face directly with the help of the applicator, then you will see it is very much water in the consistency. Wide variety of shades that you can pick your perfect shade from. This is not going to cake up your face because you can build the color very nicely one after another layer. It's not going to cake up. The best part is that it does not give you a lot of transfer, and you can just spread the product on your neck. After this, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Fit Me concealer in the shade of light. I personally love this concealer, and I'm going to be using a glop of amount here and glop of amount right here. You do not need to apply lots and lots of concealer underneath your eyes, because if you're going to be applying way too much than it's needed, it's going to crease at the end of the day, and we do not want that. And here I'm going to be applying it all the places wherever I feel that I have imperfections and I need to just cancel out the darkness or any kind of zits or something of that sort. And then taking my Real Technique concealer brush, I'm going to start to blend my concealer wherever I have applied it. I have to tell you that whenever you're focusing to blend your concealer, you have to keep this thing in your mind always, that you should not drag the product, just dab the product. This way you're not going to be moving around your coverage, and also will get a flawless under eyes for your perfect look. And after once I'm done with blending my concealer into place, I'm just going to make sure that everything sets in place, where I'm going to be using a translucent powder, or you can use a compact powder as well. I'm using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette Contour, and I'm the shade of Caramel Toffee. The best part is that it's going to be doing multitasking for us, where I'm going to be picking up the yellow color and I'm just going to be applying that underneath my eyes just to set that area, and just the rest of the product all over my face wherever I have applied my concealer. And in case you just want to set generally your face, you can definitely do that as well. I generally never tend to use a lot of powder all over my face. I just like to take less and then just like to blend it everywhere. And here I'm using the other color that is just going to give my face some good amount of warmthness, and that's what I just need, because her face is extremely sculpted and looks very beautiful at the end. And here after this, just to bring that flush of color, I'm using the Isadora Perfect Blush. I am in the shade of 50 Poppy Peach. I have to tell you that Kiara Advani is in love with blushes, and she likes to apply on the apples of her cheeks. And here we're going to be just layering the product on the top of the apples of her cheeks. And here after this, I'm going to be using a beautiful highlighter on my face. Here I'm using the Makeup Revolution Pro Illuminate, and I have to tell you that the light and the picture that we are trying to imitate was focusing the light from the top. So I'm just going to be applying the highlighter all the places wherever the light is going to hit from the top to her face. Moreover, we have to keep everything very soft and have to make sure that everything looks very beautiful and natural. After this, I'm going to go forward to my eyebrow pencil. Here I'm using the Maybelline Gigi Hadid Collection eyebrow pencil in the shade of brown. I have to tell you that Kiara Advani is blessed with beautiful thick eyebrows, so she tend to use a tinted eyebrow gel mascara and just apply it onto her eyebrow. But as far as the look that we are imitating, I can see that she did has some coverage going on her eyebrows, and that's what we are going to be doing the same. After this, I'm going to be using the Sugar Cosmetics. This is a crayon that you're supposed to be applying on your eyelids, and and I'm going to be using the Eye and Shine Shadow Crayon. I just personally love this particular product so much, and this is in the shade of 03 Garnet Glitz. It is supposed to be applied onto your eyelids and just going to give that shimmer and just that champagne color onto the eyelids. I'm also going to be applying it on the inner corners while I'm just going to be applying this on the eyelid itself. And just take your time in blending everything. I'm just going to be using my fingers once everything is applied properly on my eyes, and I am just going to make sure that the color is very much opaque and pigmented on my eyes. After this, I'm just going to fill in some white color in my waterline. For that, I'm going to be using the Diana London Superstar liner. This is very soft and is very much white, and this can smoke also if in case you want to, but we're not looking for that, and it is waterproof in the formula. After this, I'm going to be smoking another product, and here I'm using Clinique Quick Liner for Eye Intense, and I'm in the shade of 09 Intense Ebony. I'm just going to be applying this particular color on my tight line and also going to be applying it like a liner. You have to be very thin with your work, so do not apply so much, and just take the product one after another. If in case you need to just build the color, use some more, and make sure that you just use very thin coat first. And here I'm using my small blending brush, and I'm just going to blend the color softly, very softly. You have to make sure that you do your work because it's your eyes. You do not want to irritate or poke your eyes. Going to smudge the color also underneath my eyes, and once I'm done with this, you can see that my eyes look very much awake and very wide open. And here I'm going to be using the Total Temptation waterproof mascara by the company Maybelline. I am in love with this particular mascara, and I just like it so much because it just open up my eyelashes and make it look like that it is on steroids. As we are imitating Kiara Advani look, I have to tell you that the picture that I'm imitating, she have also said her by own self that she loves more of mascara that is waterproof mascara instead of going for falsies, because she does not like to go for fake things. She'd like to keep everything very simple and make it look very nice, but not using a lot of falsies, rather than going for her mascara that is waterproof. I'm using a lip liner from Pro Arte. I just personally like the color so much, and first I'm gonna outline and gonna fill my whole lips with this lip liner. I have to tell you, she just loved pink colors on her lips, and here I'm using the Nykaa mini matte lipstick in the shade of Janvi. I'm just going to be applying it all over my lips. In case I could pick something from a high-end range, that has to be Huda Beauty Gossip Girl color, because that matches her perfectly in this particular look. And this is somewhat how the whole look turned out to be. I hope that you guys have enjoyed watching this particular makeup look. I have created various other celebrity makeup look. In case you want to check that around, I have mentioned my Instagram account right here. So do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Take care, love, and stay home. Bye bye.